How can performance management drive success in both business and employees? Performance management aligns employee activities with strategic business goals. It fosters growth, accountability, and motivation. Performance management is a continuous process ensuring that employee activities align with organizational objectives. It includes setting goals, measuring progress, and providing feedback. This process is not limited to annual appraisals, but involves regular monitoring and coaching. Performance reviews happen throughout the year, supporting development. Businesses use this to align employee efforts with strategic goals. Objectives in performance management should follow the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. These objectives are tied to team and organizational goals. Setting clear objectives helps in tracking progress and achieving targets. It ensures that employees know what is expected of them. This clarity drives performance and accountability. Regular check-ins and data tracking are vital in monitoring performance. This involves using quiz, targets, and deadlines to track progress. Identifying areas needing support or improvement is crucial. Monitoring ensures that employees are on track with their goals. It also helps in providing timely feedback and support. Formal performance reviews are conducted annually or biannually. These reviews discuss achievements, challenges, and future goals. They provide a structured opportunity for feedback and development. Through appraisals, employees understand their performance and areas for improvement. This process supports career growth and motivation. Constructive feedback is essential for employee improvement. Coaching supports skill development and builds confidence. Regular feedback helps employees understand their strengths and weaknesses. It encourages continuous learning and adaptation. Coaching and feedback together enhance employee performance and satisfaction. Linking performance to rewards motivates employees. Rewards can include bonuses, promotions, and recognition. Recognizing efforts boosts morale, even without monetary compensation. It fosters a culture of appreciation and motivation. Reward systems encourage employees to maintain high performance levels. Creating personal development plans is crucial for employee growth. These plans offer training, mentoring, and career progression opportunities. Development planning aligns personal goals with business needs. It encourages employees to continuously learn and improve. This planning supports succession and talent retention. Performance management aligns individual goals with business strategy. It drives continuous improvement and high performance. Identifying training and development needs is a key aspect. It promotes employee accountability and engagement. Performance management supports succession planning and talent retention. Various tools support performance management effectively. Appraisal forms document employee progress and feedback. One-to-one meetings provide regular feedback and guidance. Quiz measure specific targets and outputs. Tools like 360-degree feedback collect input from various sources, enhancing the evaluation process. Performance management directly ties to employee motivation and engagement. Theories like Herzberg's support performance feedback as motivators. Vroom's expectancy theory highlights that performance should lead to valued rewards. Feedback and growth paths enhance engagement. Employees feel more engaged when they see opportunities for development. Tesco uses performance management to align employee targets with store goals. Line managers conduct quarterly reviews with staff. High-performing employees are offered development through Tesco's Options program. Recognition is given through thank you cards and annual awards. This approach enhances motivation and performance. Monitoring employee performance ensures objectives are met. It involves measuring and evaluating individual contributions. Techniques like 360-degree feedback and self-appraisals are used. Regular monitoring helps in identifying areas for improvement. It provides the feedback and support necessary for employee development. 360-degree feedback gathers performance input from various individuals. This includes supervisors, peers, and subordinates. It provides a well-rounded view of an employee's performance. Feedback is anonymized and compiled into a report. This method encourages self-awareness and personal growth. Self-appraisal involves employees assessing their own performance. Employees reflect on achievements and challenges. This process encourages personal reflection and accountability. It helps set future goals based on self-identified strengths. Self-appraisal aligns employee perception with managerial assessment. Annual appraisals are formal meetings to review performance. They cover achievements, training, and set future goals. This process creates a formal record of performance. It identifies training needs and promotion opportunities. Annual appraisals encourage structured feedback and future planning. MBO aligns individual performance with business goals. Effective performance management identifies training needs and aligns targets. It reduces poor practices and measures leadership performance. Businesses benefit from enhanced productivity and job satisfaction. Performance management supports strategic execution and agility. It ensures resources are invested where needed most. Employees gain clarity and guidance through performance management. It supports skill development and career progression. Structured feedback helps in self-improvement. Employees receive recognition for achievements. Performance management motivates employees and enhances engagement. Performance management identifies skill gaps and training needs. Employees gain access to tailored training programs. This enhances their competence and confidence. Opportunities for career progression are opened up. Training supports long-term career goals and personal growth. In conclusion, performance management empowers both businesses and employees through strategic alignment. It drives growth, accountability, and motivation. By investing in performance management, organizations can achieve higher productivity and greater employee satisfaction. Thank you for watching this video.